Hi there, and welcome to Red Carpet Dolls by Tony Nicole. We'll be doing a really cute doll craft in this video featuring summer fashion trends according to Vogue magazine. So before I show you how I made this outfit, I'm going to just ask that you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So again, like the previous video, this is part 2 of our Vogue summer fashion trends. We're just using items that we already have around the house, and these techniques have been used before. So in our previous video, Vogue magazine said that short suits and neon was in trend. And so this is the look that I put together featuring those trends. So for this look right here, it says on Vogue magazine that a blank slate, which I would equate to a flowy white dress, and cutouts are in trend for summer. So I'm going to show you how I put together an outfit using those two trends. Now again, I'm not buying anything for this project. I'm just using what we have at home. This is a pillowcase. It has a nice finished end at the bottom, and we'll be using that as the bottom of our dress, so we don't have to hem anything at the bottom. So I want to create a measurement by laying our dress down on the fabric, and then we're going to cut maybe at the ear. These are 2 pieces of fabric, and as you can tell, I kind of brought them in a little bit toward the top, so it's thinner at the top than it is at the bottom. So I'm going to lay good side to good side, and then we'll carefully use hot glue to create an attachment on each side. Now I honestly had no idea where I was going, what kind of look it was gonna turn out as, but I just wanted to turn on my camera and show you how I went through this process. Of course, we're always using caution with hot glue. So I have one side sealed, and then I'm going to just fold to figure out where to stop it on the other side. So I have both sides glued together, and then we're going to flip it. Now I am making cuts at the top up to the point where we glued the sides together. So now we have little straps across the top. I made it lower in the back than in the front. And so from here we're going to carefully hem the straps. And I'm going to make a really tiny cut right at the V. And then I should be able to make small little folds to hem off the edges. And a little bit of glue keeps the hems in place. So I have the hems created on the straps and across the front. I'll flip it right side out again. And then set that to the side. What I want to do is make a neck piece to make this neck piece, we're going to use the same technique as making a sleeve. We're going to just glue 2 ends of a folded piece of fabric. And then we'll flip it right side out. And I'm just using a pen to help me push it through. What I want to do is just use a little bit of glue to seal that in place and trim the frayed fabric. Okay, so now it's time to do a fitting. We're going to put the dress on the dial, and right now I'm just trying to find a way to arrange these straps so that we have a cute little cutout in the center. And it wasn't easy. It was a struggle trying to just get it to kind of lay naturally and kind of flow in a nice way. So when I got it kind of how I wanted it, I just secured it in place with a rubber band. And then we're going to glue the neck piece across the front. And we'll trim it and hem it in the back. And then add the Velcro. So the dress just snaps at the back of the neck. Okay, so now that I have the neck piece glued in, we're just gonna remove the extra pieces from those straps and put it back on. And here is our dress featuring 2 summer trends according to Vogue magazine. It's a flowy white dress, which they call blank slate. And it also has the cutouts in the front and back. So the dress is cute, but I liked the idea of it more than the execution. I think that it could have been different ways that I could have attacked putting this together. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. I love to hear from you. I just absolutely love your comments so much. You can also hit me up at Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And for leaving a comment on a previous video, we're going to officially welcome Elizabeth Williams to the red carpet. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what kind of summer trends you like. And remember, it's more fun to make it.